Okay, our first exercise is neck mobility exercise. And the reason why I'm starting with neck is it's a very common problem that a lot of people have with, we call it text neck or tech neck, because if you're looking down, you're going to get a lot of stiffness. And if you're not going through full range of motion, remember the rule of the muscle, use it or lose it. Well, that's the same rule as range of motion. So we're going to have a person go through flexion, extension, lateral bending, and rotation. And I want a person to do these 3 to 5 times just as a warm-up. Just go through your comfortable range of motion. There's 6 ranges of motion: flexion, extension, lateral bending, and rotation. Right and left lateral bending, right and left rotation. And so I'm not going to go through those. You can basically understand that flexion is all the way down comfortably, extension all the way back, lateral bending is not tilting the whole body, but just tilting try and touch your ears to your shoulder and do that. So we're just doing 3 to 5 reps. Depends on how stiff you are. If you're not that stiff, you can do 5. And then rotation. And rotation would be coming to the end of the range of motion. If that's the comfortable range of motion, just end there and then going to the other side. And then when you get those warm-ups done, then we're going to do some resistance. And I'll show you probably the toughest one first is lateral bending. So you start all the way to one side. You take your hand, put it around your ear, do 3 pounds, 3 to 5 pounds of resistance, and push and allow your head to go all the way through to the end. And then you do a little stretch. And you can come forward and sideways. Then switch your hands. And then go all the way through full lateral flexion and do a stretch. So a lot of mistakes, people make this mistake. They start here. Well, you're missing half the range of motion. So start here, go all the way through that full left lateral flexion all the way to right lateral flexion. The rotation, you can even do that in the shower with the water running on you. Just don't turn your head into the shower because you're going to get in your eyes and your ears. So get to the end of the range of motion. Let's say the shower is right behind me. I'm getting to the end, and to go through resistance, you just go a little bit farther. You look to that side, and you can get all the way up 3, 5, maybe even 10 degrees more if you're challenging the elastic barrier. That's the key. Nobody's doing this. People are just going through their normal activities of daily living, and they're not challenging. Just like if you don't challenge your muscles, they won't maintain their strength and they won't grow. When you're maintaining or challenging your resistance, this is called the elastic barrier. If you're not going a little bit beyond that normal barrier, you're not hurting yourself, but you're just going a little bit further, you'll start to open that range of motion up. And if you do those 3 repetitions to 5 repetitions, if you do them every day, it's not strenuous, you're going to find that you're going to start opening up your range of motion, and then shoulder checks and looking around in the car is no longer going to be a challenge. Now be aware, if you have any injuries, motor vehicle crashes, sports injuries and all that, and if you feel like you have some concerns, check with your healthcare provider first. Thank you. I'm Dr. Steve Summey.